Let's wait for others to join. Then we'll begin the class.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. How are you all?
Ma'am,
Everyone,
I'm fine.
cameras, everyone.
Morning, ma'am.
Good morning, beta. Good morning. What about you, Zoya, Karthik, Arav? Everyone, just open your cameras. So how were your exams, children?
Ma'am, nice.
Nice, good.
Yes, ma'am.
Why am I seeing Pooja ma'am's message here on class group? So many children's PDFs are missing. Why so?
Ma'am, I have sent the PDF again.
Zoya and Arav and Rishabh is not here. So many children's PDF is missing. Okay. Athar, you're asking on the class group, ma'am, when is the lunch break? Beta, the lunch break, there are 2 breaks that you're getting of 15 minutes, right? So that will be only your lunch break. Okay, like the way you get used to get 2 breaks before, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now everyone please write down the syllabus for your next UTs. Yes? For your next UTs, what is the syllabus? Can anyone tell me?
The syllabus is ma'am, States of India and 10 chapter India Physical Division.
Yes, India physical divisions. And one thing I missed one thing, the chapter that we have already done, types of maps, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Types of
Yes, ma'am.
maps was not included in our half yearly exams. So now it is going to be included. Okay, so we have 3
Ma'am,
chapters. Yes. What? Anyone is asking me anything?
No, ma'am.
Okay, mark down the chapters. Types of maps, states of India, and India physical divisions. These are the 3 chapters that we'll be doing in for our UTs.
Ma'am, can you tell again?
Types of maps, states of India, and India physical divisions. I think it is chapter 8, 9, and 10. Is it, Devansh?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now today what we are going to do, we are just going to read the chapter. Is that
Yes,
fine?
ma'am. States of India.
States of India. So who is going to read it first?
Ma'am, I.
All right.
Ma'am,
Everyone will get a chance. Don't worry. All of you will get a chance to read. Okay, Shirsh, start.
States of India. India is a very vast country. For
Beta, how do
Add-
you start reading? Chapter number.
chapter number 9, States of India. Let's learn about the states of India, water boundaries, the neighboring countries. Key terms: state, district, neighboring countries, capital, governor, union, union territory, chief minister, secretariat.
Secretariat.
Reflect, look at the map of few countries in Europe and answer these questions. Name 3 neighboring countries of France: Name the capital of France. Name two water bodies near France. States of India. India is a very vast country for administrative purpose. The country is divided into smaller divisions called states. India has 28 states and 8 union territories. Each state and union territory has a capital. Delhi is the capital. Delhi is the national capital of India. Each state is further divided into districts and sub-districts called tehsils, taluks, blocks, or mandals. A chief minister is the administrative head of a state. The state capital is where the chief minister have their office, ministries, and secretariat.
Secretariat.
Secretariat. The political map
That's
given.
all. That's all, children. That's all. I
Ma'am,
want,
what we are doing?
beta, we are reading the chapter States of India.
Can I read? Okay, ma'am. Good morning.
Okay, beta, good morning.
Ma'am, can I read?
Rishabh, you have already read. Devansh, you have already read, right?
Ma'am, can I read?
Okay, Harsh will read now. The same thing.
Same.
Thing what Shirsh read.
States of India. India is a very vast country. For administrative purposes, the country is divided into smaller divisions called states. India has 38 states and 8 union territories. Each state and union territory has a capital. New Delhi is the national capital of India. Each state is further divided into districts and sub-districts called tehsils, talks, blocks, and mandals. Our chief minister is the administrative head of our state. The state capital is where chief minister have their office, ministry, and secretary.
Very nice. Very good. Now, what do you have you understood anything, children, from this paragraph? Could you understand anything?
Yes, ma'am.
What could you understand? Tell me. Yes, what do you understand? Tell me.
Ma'am, that India is a very vast country.
Okay, what do you understand by the word vast?
Ma'am, big or large.
Yes, very big. Something that is very big, huge. We call it vast. So India is also a very big country. It is a
Wow.
huge country. Now, why it is a huge country? Tell me, why it is a very big country?
And because it has 28 states and 8 union territories.
Yes, it has got so many states and so many different union territories. So can you think that there is just one person who can just do everything for our country? For the
No,
country?
ma'am.
No.
No,
So
ma'am.
for administrative purposes, like for management purposes or for better organizational purposes, what happens is a country is divided into states, right? A country is divided into states. Every state has a chief minister. Yes or no?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Every country is divided into different states. Why? For administrative purpose. So that a country can run more smoothly, more nicely in an organized way. Then these states, now these states are also further divided into small units. What are those units? A state has different cities. A state has different towns. A state has different districts, sub-districts, which are known by the names of tehsils, taluks, blocks, or mandals. Yes? Have you heard of small districts nearby? Okay, where do we live? Where do we live? Tell me.
Ma'am, in
all live in
India.
Ma'am, in
Bareilly.
Uttarakhand.
We all live in Bareilly. Now there are small districts nearby. You can ask your parents of names of few districts or sub districts which are found near Bareilly. Which are the small places that we see near Bareilly? Can anybody tell me? Have you heard of a place Badaयूं? I think.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Have you heard of a place Bahedi?
Yes, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Yes. Have you heard of places? These small places. Now, what are these? These are all districts. Now, today,
Ma'am, I live in.
yes, Manas.
I live in.
Where do
Ma'am,
you
I live in Bareilly.
Yes, we all live in Bareilly. And there are small districts nearby Bareilly. Yes? Yes, so everyone is going to ask from your parents today names of a few districts and sub-districts.
Ma'am, Rampur also. Ma'am, Rampur.
Yes, Rampur also. All of you have heard that? Rampur?
Rampur
Yes,
also.
ma'am.
Okay.
Rampur
Great.
also. Yes.
Districts and sub-districts. List of districts of Uttar Pradesh. I have opened it on net. Now see, I'll name a few districts. Agra, Aligarh, Bareilly, Bijnor, Amroha, Firozabad, Fatehpur, Bulandshahr. You all have heard the names of these places, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. There are so many districts of Bareilly, 75. So not Bareilly, of UP. 75 districts of UP are given. So what is all this? Why they are divided? Why they are given so many divisions? Why a country is divided into so many units? Why do you think it is divided? Tell me. Any idea?
Ma'am, please tell.
Yes.
Ma'am.
For administration.
Tell.
Yes, ETA is also there. For what? For better running, for smooth running, for smooth functioning of the country, it is divided into units, into different units, so that there are people who can look after their own units, right? Yes? Yes or no? Now, if suppose
Yes,
there
ma'am.
be any problem in Bareilly, who will look after that problem? Do you think Mr. Narendra Modi is directly going to look into the problem? Yes?
No, ma'am.
No.
No,
The
ma'am.
head of Bareilly is going to look into the matter. That is why a country is divided into states, and states are further divided into districts and sub-districts, so that there is proper smooth functioning of a country.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, did you hear the name of Bareilly head?
Bareilly head. Now, who is the head of Bareilly? Who looks after Bareilly? Who will tell me?
Ma'am, what?
If suppose there is any problem that happens in Bareilly, who looks after it?
Ma'am, the Bareilly head.
Who is the Bareilly head?
Ma'am, the DM of the Bareilly.
Yes. DM. Who is it? Tell me.
Ma'am, I don't know.
I don't know.
We don't know. So we have to find it out. Let me just see who it is. District magistrate, that is DM Bareilly. Who is it? Manvinder Singh. It's Manvinder Singh. And its chief minister also who looks into the matter. Who is the chief minister of Bareilly? Who is the chief minister of UP? Yes, it must be in your current affairs, children.
Ma'am, Yogi Adityanath.
Yeah,
Yogi Adityanath.
Yogi Adityanath. Every state has a chief minister, right? Every state has a chief minister. All of you know that?
Yes,
Have you
ma'am.
learned in your current affairs in GK? Tell me. You all have learnt it in GK or not?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So these states are looked after by chief ministers. We have every state has a chief minister. And where is the office? Where is the office of chief minister?
In the capital of the state. Ma'am, capital of the state.
Yes, in
Ma'am,
the
in the
capital of the
Ma'am,
state. Very good. In the capital of the state, the chief minister's office is there. See, there's a line written, each state has a capital where the chief minister has his office and secretary. Correct? Who is not mute? Devansh, beta, mute yourself. And who is C? Underline this line, a chief minister is the administrative head of a state. A chief minister is administrative head of a state.
ma'am, I have underlined.
Devansh, better mute yourself. Okay, next, who is going to read? Next, who will read? No one wants to read. I can't
Ma'am, I.
see hands up. Okay, Zoya will read now.
Ma'am, can I read Factpedia?
Zoya, start reading beta. Start from Factpedia.
Factpedia. Each state has a governor who lives in an official what is it? Can I read?
Beta, my book is little different. I don't know what you
Ma'am,
are.
it's residence.
I'm resident. I'm resident. Resident. Call Raj Bhavan.
All right. Then next, start reading. Yes, Zoya. Beta, why did you stop? Read ahead.
Answer the next page.
Yes. After Factpedia, start reading the next paragraph.
आप सभी में क्या पूछा था वो नहीं इससे पहले
Devansh. Beta, mute yourself.
India is a peninsula surrounded by water on three sides and by land on one side. The Arabian Sea lies on the west of the Indian peninsula. The Bay of Bengal lies to its east and the Indian Ocean is
in the south. The neighboring countries of India are Nepal, Bhutan, Pakistan, Bangladesh, Afghanistan, Sri Lanka, Maldives, China, and
Okay, beta, do one thing. Listen, I want one student to send me the PDF of this chapter. Send it in the class.
Okay, ma'am, I'm sending.
In my book, it is given totally different. Sarthak, you also having old book?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, it is little different, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let's have the PDF and then we're going to read. Till then, children, just look at the map that is given at the beginning of this chapter. Can you see a map? Yes, there's a map given, right? Yes,
Yes,
sir.
ma'am.
Rishabh, show me your map on the camera. Yes. Now see what we see. We see the country divided into 28 states here. Isn't it? Yes. And what do we see along with it? Along the map, we see the neighboring countries also. On the northern side, on the eastern side, on the western side of India, we have so many different names. What are these names? These are the names of the neighboring countries of India. Who will name the neighboring countries of India? Tell me. Who all?
Ma'am, Pakistan,
Okay.
China.
No, Shirish, beta, you keep sending the PDF.
Nepal also.
Yes. Sarthak, tell me.
Ma'am, Nepal, ma'am, Bhutan, Bangladesh, Sri Lanka, Pakistan, Afghanistan, China,
Very good. Very nice. So these are all,
and Maldives.
and Maldives.
Ma'am, can I tell?
Yes, tell.
Ma'am, Scotland,
Where is Scotland?
India. Ma'am, India, Pakistan, Afghanistan,
Yes, then.
China, Bhutan, Sri Lanka. Ma'am, San Diego.
Myanmar.
Ma'am, there is also in middle, there is also giving the France.
France.
Ma'am, I am sended. Chapter
Ma'am, in
9.
map.
Ma'am, in map of books.
Okay, Devansh
Sorry,
sent the PDF. Why is
Madhya
France?
Pradesh.
Beta France. See. Name.
No, ma'am.
Yes.
Madhya Pradesh. Nepal.
Madhya Pradesh. Why did you say Madhya Pradesh? Is it the neighboring country? Shirish, beta, have you sent the PDF?
Yes, ma'am.
I am also send the PDF.
Yes, beta, you have also sent the PDF. Very good. Shirish, why haven't you sent the question answers, beta?
No, you have
Ma'am, I
asked
am
for
sent
the
it.
chapter.
All right. Okay, Devansh. Thank you, beta. Just a minute. Now, what were we reading? Where were we? India is a peninsular country. Okay, Zoya, now you can continue. Zoya Fatima is not there. Okay, who will read now?
Can I read?
Yes,
Reading
Manas.
Manas. Okay, ma'am. India is a peninsula surrounded by water on three sides and by land on one side. The Arabian Sea lies on the west of the Indian Peninsula, the Bay of Bengal to its east, and the Indian Ocean is in the south. The neighboring countries of India are Nepal, Bhutan, Pakistan, Bangladesh, Afghanistan, Sri Lanka, Maldives, China, and Myanmar.
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 Okay, so these are all what? The neighboring countries of India.
Yeah.
Then, after this, is there anything? Yes, beta, you have to read now the Green Earth and the Factpedia.
Ma'am,
Okay, Arav Solanki will read.
ma'am, green
Ma'am,
earth
can
and
I
fact,
Shh, wait. Arav, read, beta.
ma'am, green earth and Factpedia.
Yes.
Okay. Green earth. New Delhi, India's capital city, is one of the most populated cities in the world. Why do you think this is so?
Okay, next, Factpedia.
Factpedia. The onion. Ma'am, what is
Beta,
this?
union. We call it union.
Yes, a union. Ma'am,
Hmm.
what is this?
Territory.
Territory has its own elected government, rules directly by the central government.
All right. A union territory has its own elected government, which is ruled directly by the central government. Okay. Now see
Yes.
what it is given. There's a little exercise that is given. Look at the map of India just above it, where the map of India is given on that page. Look at the map of India and name one neighboring country that surrounds India in these directions. Now, which country are you going to name that surrounds India in the north, that lies in the north of India? Which is that country? Now, everybody do this exercise in the book yourself. Then we'll discuss the answers. Okay?
Ma'am, which page number in the old book?
Which page number in the old book? Beta, in old book, page number 70, but don't do that. Sarthak, listen, just see the PDF that is there in the class group now.
Okay, ma'am.
And do that only. One country you have to name which is in the north. One you have to name which lies in the northwest. One in the northeast and one in the south.
Ma'am, we will have break.
Beta, break, you're going to get 2 breaks. And
Ma'am,
at 9:20, the first break is going to be at 9:20 and the second break is going to be at, I think, 10:55.
excuse me, ma'am.
Yes. Yes, beta, say.
Ma'am, which date we have UT2?
Beta, it will be somewhere in December. Or maybe, what is going on now? Yes, mid-September, mid-December. The dates are not yet finalized. It's just a tentative idea that I'm giving. Or it could be in January or
Okay, ma'am.
you all have got the message on class group of bell timings? Yes?
No, ma'am.
No, you haven't got that.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I'll just forward the message on class group. Please go through this new schedule, new timetable of yours.
Yes.
Beta hai to. You must have missed it.
Yes, ma'am. New timetable you have made.
No, it's not new timetable. Timetable is the same. It's just about the change of timings.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, but 40 minutes there is only.
तो बेटा 40
40
मिनट्स की
minutes.
तो होती है जूम पे क्लास, कितनी देर की होती है?
Yes, ma'am. So time is not. Ma'am, 2. Ma'am, 8 to 2. Ma'am, this. 8 o'clock to 2 o'clock classes.
Beta, just see the message I have sent on the class group right now. Go through that message only. Don't get confused. Earlier you had your classes started at 7:30, right? Now the winter timing is you're having classes from 8 o'clock.
No, ma'am. Now we have 8 classes, 8 periods.
No. This 8th period is not for you. It is for other classes. You will have, how many periods you used to have? 7 periods, no?
Yes, ma'am.
You'll have 7 periods.
So, ma'am, we will have till
You will have
1:10.
till 1:10. Yes. Earlier it used to be till 12:40. Now it is going to be till 1:10. Done? Everyone has marked the states? Yes or no? Show me. the paper.
Ma'am, what is the timing of the school?
School, beta, children who are going offline.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
It is also,
Yes,
it's the same. Starting at 8 o'clock in the morning till 1:50. Now children, those who are going offline are having 8th period.
Okay,
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, there is choice of offline and online.
Did you get such a message that there's a choice?
Ma'am, I offline.
No, ma'am.
ma'am.
No, there's a message that from 8 November the offline classes are started.
Yes. So how many of you are planning to come to school? Is anyone of you?
Ma'am, I Harsh Patel. Ma'am, I Debaja.
Wow, I
Ma'am,
can
I
see both
shears.
hands. Very nice. So many of you are planning to come to school.
No, ma'am,
Yes,
I'm
ma'am.
coming after 2 years to school.
Yes, very good. Very nice.
Last time I was there second.
Yes, ma'am, I am also second.
Last when you attended your school,
ma'am,
you all
we
were
are.
in class 2.
yes, ma'am.
So in second.
So children, now have you named all the countries, your neighboring countries? Which country lies towards to your north? Tell me.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, China. Ma'am, China.
China.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, Nepal.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
China.
Nepal.
Ma'am,
China. Ma'am,
China and Nepal.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, I'm
China.
written China and Pakistan.
What, what Shish? What have you written?
Ma'am, I have written China and Pakistan.
But beta, Pakistan is not on the northern side. Will it be counted on the northern side only?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, which country lies on the northwest?
Ma'am, Afghanistan.
Afghanistan can also be the answer. Pakistan can also be the answer here. Right? On the northwest. Which country lies on the northeast?
Ma'am, Bhutan. Ma'am, Bhutan. Ma'am, Bhutan.
This is
Ma'am, Bhutan. Bhutan. Ma'am, Bhutan. Ma'am, Bhutan. Ma'am, Bhutan.
Okay, beta,
Ma'am, Bhutan. Bhutan.
Ma'am, Bhutan.
Ma'am, Bhutan.
where is my PDF? Yes, Bhutan is where? On which side? North?
India, Nepal.
Ma'am, northeast. Ma'am, northeast.
Ma'am, Bhutan is in northeast.
Yes,
Ma'am,
it
northeast.
is in northeast. Very good. Then we have the next. Which country lies in the south of India?
Sri Lanka.
Sri
Ma'am,
Lanka.
Sri Lanka.
Yes, towards the south is Sri Lanka. It is also
And Sri Lanka.
Maldives is also there in the south only. Yes,
Yes, ma'am. Maldives also.
Maldives.
Ma'am, Maldives
also. Yes, ma'am. Maldives also.
Ma'am, Maldives also.
Okay, if I ask you which country lies, name any two countries that lies towards the east of India. Only east, not southeast, not northeast. Just
Myanmar.
very good. Myanmar
And
and
Bangladesh.
Bangladesh. Wonderful.
Bangladesh.
Yes,
And
correct.
Bangladesh.
Very nice.
Ma'am, Bangladesh. Ma'am, Bangladesh.
Bangladesh. Very good. Now listen. For the leftover time, we have 4 minutes left. Now what you will do, all of you will mark difficult words in this chapter only, in your book. Just underline all difficult words. Let me see how many you can find. In the end, I'm going to ask you how many words everyone has found.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, what we have to found?
Beta, you have to find all the difficult words of this chapter. Underline all the words that you find are difficult.
Ma'am, underline.
Beta, you just have to underline the words in the book only. I will ask you in the end how many words have you underlined.
Underlined it.
You have done, Sarthak.
Yes, ma'am.
Right from the beginning, from let's learn about. See, so many difficult words are there also.
Yes, ma'am. I have
Ma'am,
also.
Ma'am, I have also done.
Yes, ma'am. I only have to. Probably only
Ma'am,
two
can I?
words.
Ma'am, can I underline from Factpedia
Yes,
words?
of course, from Factpedia, from Green Earth, from everywhere you have to underline.
Ma'am, some words are hard. Ma'am, written.
Some words are what?
Ma'am, now we have to write this.
No, you don't have to write
difficult
anywhere.
word.
Beta, abhi nahi likhna.
Ma'am, in the chapter, very less hard words are there.
And I think this chapter has so many difficult words. Beta,
Yes, ma'am, this chapter has so many difficult
boundary, tehsil, taluk, mandals. So many difficult words are there. What are you saying? Sub-district, divisions, neighboring. Then so many names of the countries. What is the spelling of Myanmar?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, Myanmar, Ma'am, Y double A Ma'am, M A R. Yes. Ma'am,
Yes. Yes. So all these words are very difficult, and also see the list of the states and capital cities that is given. So many capital cities name spellings are so difficult.
Yes, ma'am. Like this. Thiruvanantha.
Ma'am, like Bhubanesh. Ma'am, like Bhubaneswar.
Bhubaneswar, Chhattisgarh, then it is Itanagar, Amravati.
Ma'am, Trivendrapuram.
Yes. And Rishabh,
And ma'am, I have
that
only
this chapter
underlined
has very less difficult words.
two.